The fastest way to grow a YouTube channel is by uploading YouTube Shorts. And in this video, you're going to learn how to create YouTube Shorts fast with one free AI tool. You don't need ChatGPT to write the script or CapCut to create the captions, as this tool will do all that alongside the video creation and the voiceover. Look at this incredible animal-focused channel where in just 30 days, they've amassed a staggering 43 million views and 163K subscribers. What's even more impressive is that despite primarily creating content in Hindi, where the CPM on short videos can drop as low as 2 cents, they're still raking in a cool $800 to $1,000 every month from YouTube Shorts alone. The tool we'll be using to create these videos is called Fliki, which has a feature known as Idea to Video. It's completely free to use, and I'll drop the link for you to sign up in the description below. Start by initiating a new project in Fliki. Give it a name. Choose your preferred language from over 70 options. Select the video format and hit that create button. Now comes the exciting part. The actual video creation process. Click on Convert, located in the upper right corner, and select Idea to Video in the text box. Simply input your desired topic and description, for instance. Let's ask Fliki to create a short video. 5 interesting facts about lions. Leave it on the short option, customize the style as per your preferences, and click on Submit within a matter of seconds. Fliki works its magic generating a short video by crafting the script and finding visuals that perfectly complement each scene. We're focusing on YouTube Short. We'll be utilizing the portrait dimensions, which is the standard format to set this up. Click on Settings and modify the aspect ratio to 9:16, then hit Save. Ensure that you select the Captions option. Captions customization, as they are crucial for short. You can choose where to place the captions. Take a moment to browse through the available font options. I highly recommend Lexand or Nunito set the subtitle display to word to showcase captions word by word. Choose your desired caption, color, background, and shadow color before proceeding. Don't forget to click on Apply to similar layers to apply the changes across all scene. Now let's review the video and eliminate any unnecessary blocks. Breaking the existing block into multiple smaller blocks will add more scenes to our short to add more blocks. Click on the plus icon and simply copy-paste the sentences into them. Here's where things get even more exciting. In Fliki, you have the option to automatically generate the next scene. If you require more scenes, simply click on More, then select Auto Generate Next. Fliki will swiftly generate a new scene with text and choose a matching clip. Repeat this process for the other blocks as well. Once you have your block set up, it's time to select video clips that align with each scene. Fliki AI can automatically pick video clips based on the text in each block. Simply click on Auto Pick Video on the canvas, and Fliki will seamlessly choose a clip that matches the text if needed. You can also manually search for specific video clips from the stock library. Remember, Fliki will then apply a zoom effect to these visuals once you've added the video clips. It's time to infuse the magic of a voiceover. Click on Sarah. Listen to the available voices. You'll find an array of voice options to choose from. Personally, I'll be selecting Tony for this short, and I'll apply it to all the scenes. Feel free to play through the scenes and assess how they look once you're satisfied with the scenes and voiceover. It's time to export the video. Simply click on the export button at the top. The processing may take a few minutes, but the beauty of it is that you can close the tab and you'll receive an email notification once it's complete. While the video is processing, let's discuss some tips to maximize your earnings. As we've seen, channels that boast a substantial number of views and subscribers on their shorts should contemplate creating long-form videos as well. Although long videos may garner fewer views, they can prove to be more profitable in the long run. Long videos have potential to generate more revenue compared to a short video. So what's the next step? You can still create long videos using the same process we've covered. Instead of crafting a short 1-minute video, opt for the medium or long options, 5 minutes or 10 minutes, depending on your preference.
Meet the king of the jungle, the majestic lion. They're the only big cats with manes, a unique feature of male lions. Did you know a lion's roar can be heard up to 5 miles away? Powerful, isn't it? Lions are social animals. Lions can eat up to 40 kilograms of meat in a single meal, around a quarter of their body weight. Though they are known as fearsome hunters, lions rest for up to 20 hours a day. Lastly, a lion's eyesight is so powerful, it's 5 times better than a human's. Subscribe for more.
To unlock a wide selection of high-quality video clips and expand your voiceover possibilities, you might want to upgrade to Fliki Standard Plan, priced at only $21 per month. With this plan, you'll have access to countless premium videos and images that precisely match your keywords. Moreover, you can produce videos lasting up to 15 minutes, with a total of 180 minutes allocated for audio and video content each month. Keep in mind that designing captivating thumbnails and optimizing your videos for SEO is vital for boosting visibility and attracting a larger audience. I'll demonstrate the animal niche, but it can be applied to numerous other niches based on your interests. Take the time to research and be ready to proceed. If you found this tutorial useful, please show your support by liking and subscribing to my channel. Don't hesitate to leave your comments below. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching.